There you go.
Just a moment. Is superhero is a mythical hero. Jeevan is a super.
Guys, can you please have silence?
Jeevan is an Indian superhero.
Sorry, I think people.
Jeevan is an Indian superhero.
थोड़ा माइक करीब कर लो बेटा.
I'm just asking, is Jeevan is an Indian superhero?
देखो, तुम कह रहे हो मैं प्रमोशन ज्यादा कर रहा हूँ, तो ये तक अभी तक नहीं मालूम पड़ा कि जीवन इंडियन सुपर हीरो. अभी देखो मुझे फिर 2 महीना करना पड़ेगा बताने के.
Shahrukh क्या?
Okay.
You can ask me 2, 3. I'll choose 2, 3 and finish them off.
नीचे से ज़्यादा स्क्रॉल करेगा.
Take the mic, darling. Take the mic.
स्क्रॉल. प्लीज प्लीज I say. आगे बैठ. तो से लिफ्ट आओ.
How much are you paying me for my promotion in the next city now? You take the mic, darling. I can't hear you. Sorry. Yes, sir.
I want to ask, आप अपने बच्चों को डेडिकेट करना चाहते हैं? फिर मुझे ऐसा सुनने में आया था कि आपका बेटा बहुत पसंद करता है सुपर हीरोज की मूवीज को.
No, no,
तो
no.
ऐसा कुछ है कि कितनी ज़्यादा पसंद करता है? ऐसा
नहीं, ये फैमिली फिल्म है. मैं सारे बच्चों मैं चाहूँगा सारे लोग और सारी फैमिलीज को पसंद है.
शाहरुख आपकी फिल्म में अमिताभ नरेशन कर रहे हैं, रजनीकांत कैमियो करेंगे, तो इतने सारे चेहरों का आपने सहारा क्यों लिया है अपनी फिल्म के लिए?
ओम शांति ओम के बाद आदत से पड़ेगी.
Alright guys, thank you so much. Shahrukh sir,
Last question. Hi, I'm Karan from The Statesman. As you just said, you are leaving no stone unturned for the promotion. You are tied up with so many things. How has it been, last few days, frustrating, exhausting on this promotional sprint?
I'm extremely exhausted actually. I'm very tired. To be really honest, I would not be tired if I was just promoting. It's very comfortable for me. I have a private charter. I fly to the cities. Everybody looks after me. I have a 5-star hotel. My partners, Nerolac and Big FM, and everyone takes care of us that way. But I've been doing the post-production. So I was working till 9 in the morning and I took the 9:30 flight. I came here, went to Ludhiana, came back here, and from here I went back